Hi guys, it's Synolve. How are you guys doing? I'm so glad to see you. Well, today we have been doing a lot of work in the urban garden, and there have been some really powerful and amazing moments in the garden. We dedicated a tree, and it is a Kiefer Pear, and we dedicated it to some of our loved ones who have passed away and are no longer with us. It's been a beautiful day. We've done a lot of work of cleaning and getting the garden together to get it ready for spring.
Who good at digging holes? And you can't dig the hole, you can work on the fence. So we all dig the hole. We're gonna plant 2 trees today. We're gonna plant a tree here, and we got another tree back in the back that we're gonna plant. So the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna save some of this compost around this stuff. That's gonna go in the bottom of it. But as you see, this is a big hole. We got that deep. See how big it is? This is
So then what are you gonna about 3 feet?
we need to go down as deep as this is and give it a little bit more. So about what's that? About 3 feet, like you say. And then as wide as it is, a little space so we can pack in some soil.
Right.
We're gonna do the same thing as another one over there. Everybody good?
More colors and more money you gonna have to spend, huh?
Alright. So let's we're gonna do it together. Y'all grab you stay right there. You grab the bag. You grab the bag. I'm gonna pull it up.
Yeah.
You ready? I'm gonna put that one down a little bit so it can come in.
I wear anything else.
Hold on, y'all. Here come.
But a cowboy.
There you go about them cowboys, you know.
I'm just saying.
They said anything but a cowboy.
Alright, we good. Let's see if we can get it right there. There we go. We're coming up. Man, good. Watch this. Bag. Bag.
It'll smother the roots on it.
Bring him out. Good job.
Nice job, guys.
All right, let's fill him in. Put a little soil around. Straighten him up, man. Straighten him up.
They gonna grow crooked. Why is that tree leaning?
Roots done took a hold.
Yeah, we took root, didn't we?
Yeah. I'm gonna let it go.
He in there. All right. Oh, it's like
Look, don't be telling my secrets. You did not see me with no beer ball.
They say
You didn't see that.
take a nail and put it in there.
That one
Oh.
And it
right
gets
there.
iron
Ain't
out of
it?
the
That one
nails.
ain't like the other one.
Wow.
For the nutrition of the tree. I'll put
That's a good. Okay, we'll put. Sometimes you just have to use the garden as, you know, for what it's for, and that is as therapy. Let me move you guys around. The garden is a beautiful, amazing therapeutic space where you can release and let go. At least that's what I do when I'm in the garden. And we planted this beautiful Kiefer Pear. There's so much going on from these, last couple of years, and so we have just been working, all of us working very hard. We've been trying to keep our families safe from all of the different things that have been going on, and you guys know, from the pandemic and all of that. And it's been just a lot of stress, staying at home, having to stay in and not being able to go out when we wanted to, and wearing masks and doing all those things. And so that causes a lot of stress. And then we all know someone who we've lost these last couple of years to the pandemic, or to just life, right? To life in general. And so sometimes you have to take a moment. We go and keep going and keep going as if nothing bothers us, as if our world is a ticking clock that just is work and home and work, kids, family, and we just keep going. And all of the things that are happening, gas prices are rising, all the things, right, that are happening. Eggs are too high to buy. There are medicines that we can't find out, because there's a shortage on baby formula. It's like every other day there's another stress, another stressor. It's something else that we have to worry about or think about or figure out, how we're going to feed our families as businesses are closing, companies are closing, all around us. It's like very uncertain times, but we can find peace. And for me, that place of peace and tranquility is in the garden. And we have to take moments where we're exercising, where we are exercising our brains, exercising our minds. We also have to take time where we're just reflecting and having a bit of peace. And so if it's bringing a journal out into the garden or out into the park or some quiet space, we need to do what we need to do for our own self-care, for our own benefit, for our own inner healing, for our own areas and ways to restore our own peace. I'm watching this bird over here. Let me show him to you. He's trying to get a worm. So sometimes we just have to take a moment to enjoy nature and to really step out of our own head and our own problems, our own situation, and just step back and relax for a moment and just breathe. With everything that's going on around us, we have to take a moment to reflect and to allow ourselves the opportunity to feel and not keep burying those feelings down within and not keep just going on as if nothing is happening, or nothing is happening in the world, or nothing has happened in our own communities, or even if it didn't, or in our own families, our own thing, no matter how, maybe it didn't happen to you or your family, but it's happened in your community. Crime seems to be on the rise as families and food prices are going up. It just seems to be every day there's something. These issues with, we're seeing every other day as families are, so many families, there these domestic violence issues where families, whole families, someone is, are being deleted, even babies, and then all of the children. And then I've just been watching the news, which I try not to do and rarely do, but this is troublesome and it's worrisome, but it's happening more and more and more. And so sometimes we just have to take a moment to reflect and to call the names of the people that we love, who are no longer with us. To take just a moment to also be in reflection and gratitude for the lives that are here, people that are still with us, and people that we love so much and love dearly. And so somebody's waving at me trying to figure out what I'm doing. And so sometimes you just have to take a moment to just breathe, just reflect and breathe. And so for me, working in the garden provides that solitude, that serenity, that peace, that time to just reset and to just reflect in the moment and to know that all is well. And there are so many good things in our lives, so many good things that are happening. And we have this supernatural power and forces that are around us who really want us to be well and to do well, whether it's the ancestors, God, whatever you call it, that really wants us to prosper and to be in good health and to have abundance and amazing things. And so it is this opportunity to trust and to believe that good things are happening. And so I hope you take this opportunity to reflect and to just go out in nature and to enjoy it. If you've lost someone, or if you've just recently had a hard time, or you've gone through a tremendous struggle or a sickness or an issue, then I want you to take this moment to breathe, and take this moment to know that you're okay and you're not alone. Take this moment to put your hands in the soil and in the dirt to be able to enjoy yourself, whether it's, if you don't have any space, it's planting on your balcony, or dropping a seed, or even just taking lemons when you go to the store and taking the lemon seeds. Whatever it is that you need to do, whether it's going into a garden space in your backyard, your home, or into you know, a shared garden space area, urban garden, go, or even if you have acreage, plant something, right? You'll feel better if you plant something. Once you do, go put your hands in the soil, go walk out in nature and just breathe. And if you have lost a loved one, consider, let your tears water and fuel something really good and amazing. Consider planting a tree, or a plant, or a rose bush, or whatever it may be. It may be celery, right, that you get from the store, and you break it off and you plant it, or lemon, lime seeds that you already have, or seeds from Dollar Tree or your local hardware or home store, right, like Lowe's or wherever, or something on Amazon, or some of these amazing seed companies, wherever you get your seeds from. Plant something, and just know that nothing really ever dies, that the Most High, the ancestors, are always with us, and that life continues. And so when you plant something in the ground, it gives an opportunity to remember the good times and the good things, and for you to find joy in the places of sorrow, and to find beauty in ashes. I love you guys so much. Synolve. This is Synolve. I'm trying to do a better job or remember to say my name, because I know it's kind of hard, you know, to say. But Synolve, that's my name. Pretty easy. Kind of flows off the tongue. But you're welcome, guys, in my garden anytime. I love you guys so much. And I'm going to see you in another video real soon. And I hope that you'll plant something and grow something that is beautiful and that really means something to you and to your family. I love you guys so much. See you in another video real soon.